that your doggy? Are you wearing socks? Are you wearing socks, Helen?
Mom wants you to say socks.
Do you have any socks, by the way?
There are no socks around.
Helen. Helen.
You want some music, sweetie, with the stereo?
Helen. Helen. Helen, what's this? Helen, what's that? Yes, it's a frog. Yes, it's a frog.
Good job.
What about this? Are these babies? Is that a baby? There is a frog there too, that's right. There's a picture of a frog.
It's a stereo. Huh.
Oops.
What's this?
That's right, it's a ball.
Good job, honey.
Good job.
Those are
Those are goggles. I don't know why they're out.
Very silly. See, Daddy, put them on. Let me take those. Okay.
Good job. Yeah, okay. That's enough for now. Do you want to say socks, Helen? Do you want to say socks? Socks? Or babies? I guess not.
Is that for me? Thank you.